Now, St. Elizabeth Technical will be looking to defend both the boys and girls titles when the Western High Schools Athletics Championships takes place at GC Foster College on Saturday. Last year, STETHS staged a late fight back to take the boys' title, amassing 333.5 points to hold off William Knibb. 305.5 with Monroe College, third with 270.5 points. STETHS were also victorious on the girls' side with 358 points, finishing ahead of Mount Alvernia and William Knibb. Now, unlike previous years, the 2026 staging of the championships has been condensed into a one-day event from the usual 2 days where the preliminaries were held on another day. This largely due to the unavailability of venues, with GC Foster College deciding at last minute to host the event due to scheduled repair work on the track at the St. Catherine-based institution. The meet gets underway at 8:45 a.m. with the Class 1 boys 110-meter hurdles.